When we talk about avatars, tools like Google Vids allow us to generate avatar-based videos. Having said that, there is one limitation. You cannot create a custom avatar of yourself within that specific platform. Let me show you how it works. On Google Vids, if you don't need a personalized avatar and are happy using pre-existing ones, then the tool handles that task for you entirely for free. Let me take a look. If you go to Google and search for Google Vids, you can access the platform. Once you click Get Started, you will enter what is essentially a comprehensive video editor. From here, you can access VO and utilize various other features. Under the AI Avatar section, you can select Change to see a wide variety of available avatars. You can click on them to hear their voices, each featuring different tones and faces. Wonderful. You are free to select any of these for your project. But as I mentioned, the options to create a custom avatars, one that looks and speaks exactly like me, is not available here. While you can provide prompts directly to VO from the editor itself, which powers a background video generation, but it is limited to their library. You can type in a script like, "Hi everyone, how are you?" and the tool will generate the video quickly and easily. Google Vids is excellent for professional results using pre-recorded avatars, and it is perfect for creating things like advertisements. But our focus today is not on stock avatars. Instead, we are focusing to learn how to take a video of yourself and transform it into a personal AI avatar that you can use for all your future content.